But if you're interested in amateur radio, that tells you all about it. That's the book that you need to get into amateur radio to start.
From the right. Hold. Squad. Hold. One.
And then it's released through the switch. Every light has a different signal.
This is our log through what we've contacted over the weekend. Once in green has been contacted and New Zealand contacted. We have a couple of New Zealand and one other one down further. That's our log sheet so far for the weekend. But we also have a manual log sheet in the book here, which is lighthouses around Australia and the world. The ones marked in green, predominant area, the ones that we've just over the last day and a half.
We are down at the Lightstation, but we're actually operating from the cable station, which is adjacent to the lighthouse. This used to be the cable and signal station and the telegraph station from Cape Otway to the world.
Nearly did one for one. So that's what this is all about. This is all part of it.
Checking the perimeter fence.
It's here, Mick. No, it's here. Both your wires.
So Pippa, technically what happened? It's stuffed, yeah?
Technically, the constant Cape Otway wind
Yeah.
blowing the ribbon cable backwards and forwards, it's just metal fatigued both wires and disconnected the antenna from the coax.
But it still worked alright, you guys got a contact
It's
for...
interesting actually.
That probably just happened the last bit.
You can see there's little burn marks on the end of the wire where it was broken. It's burned up the whole.
VK3OWL listening.
Charlie calling VK3OWL.
VK5 Victor Golf Charlie, VK3OWL. Apologies, old man. I had you on the list and skipped you.
Very professional connection here, as you can see. In Australia, the QSL.
Roger, Lighthouse, all the station, okay, 100%. Yeah, big senior here, 5 and 7 to 8, I think Richard, the name is okay?
Roger, yeah, you're 5 and 8, 5 and 9, very, very strong signal. We have no noise level here at all.
Richard, my pleasure, okay. My name is Papa Alpha Tango, Emil Florence, using 12 elements of periodic long pass for you. Using also 35 Zulu Sierra over.
Roger, Pat, not a problem, Italy 5, Sierra Zulu Zulu, VK3OWL returning. Yeah, we're actually using here the old beacon antenna of the lighthouse station, which is approximately 20 meters high and 60 meters long. I'm not sure for what it was, for what frequency it was designed, but we sort of tapped into it and tuned it in, and it seems to be working all right there, Pat. Okie dokie, 73s from Australia, and hope we catch up again. Italy 5 Zulu Sierra Sierra VK3 Oscar Whiskey Lima. Arrivederci, ciao ciao.
Thank you very much, Greg. Thank you very much. 73, ciao ciao from near Florence. Victor Kilo 3 Oscar Whiskey Lima, Italy 5 Zulu Sierra Sierra. Ciao, good luck.
Arrivederci, ciao.
Towards that again, Italy 5 Zulu Sierra Sierra, over. Going 20 DX, long poop. Very good. Good afternoon. Many thanks. For a reply, you have a beautiful 5 and 9 here in the clear 5 and 9. The name is Igor, Italy Golf Oscar Radio Igor. VK3 Oscar Whiskey Lima, 9 Alpha 4 Charlie Delta.
Yeah, 9 Alpha 4 Charlie Delta, VK3 Oscar Whiskey Lima returning here. Good afternoon, good morning Igor. You're 5 and 7, 5 and 8 here. My name is Richard, Romeo India Charlie Hotel Alpha Romeo Delta. And we're actually transmitting out of a lighthouse station here today. We are here for the lighthouse weekend. And we're using an old beacon antenna that is left here on the property. Probably 20 meters high, about 60 meters high.
Very good.
Whiskey Lima.
I get the Whiskey Lima, your call charge.
Victor Kilo 3 Oscar Whiskey Lima. Victor Kilo 3 Oscar Whiskey Lima.
Victor Kilo 3 Oscar Whiskey Lima. VK3 Oscar Whiskey Lima. Please give me a Roger.
Roger, Roger. Come on. Lima X-Ray 1 Hotel Delta. Victor Kilo 3 Oscar Whiskey Lima. QSL. What's he doing?
I think that's Victor Kilo 3 Oscar Victor Lima. VK3OWL. I'm not quite sure. Please give me a Roger.
Negative, it's Victor Kilo 3 Oscar Whiskey Lima. Oscar Whiskey Lima. Oscar Whiskey Lima. QSL. SWR, shit.
Victor Kilo 3 Oscar Whiskey Lima. Victor Kilo 3 Oscar Whiskey Lima. Roger.
Roger, Roger, you're 5 and 7, 57. My name is Richard, Romeo, India, Charlie, Hotel, Alpha, Romeo, Delta. Richard is my name, QSL. Come on. Deutschen Stimmen da gehört, denke ich, da musst du doch gleich mal reinrufen und mal Hallo sagen wenigstens. Und ich will auch hier ein bisschen weiterdrehen, will ich da auch nicht auf die Nerven gehen. Und hat mich auf jeden Fall gefreut. Also ich habe hier 1ZQ, das andere Rufzeichen habe ich noch nicht bekommen. Wenn ihr das mir noch durchgeben könnt, wäre schön. Mikrofon zurück.
Ja, gar nicht so ganz einfach. Ja, der Gerhard hat anscheinend auch nicht so richtig das Band offen. Der ist auch ein bisschen nördlich und östlich von mir. Und da kann das natürlich schon ein bisschen schwieriger sein. Ne? So, dann gehen wir mal den Gerhard wieder rüber. Der macht das Rudi oder so mal bei ihr gehen.
Deutschen Stimmen da gehört, denke ich, da musst du doch gleich mal reinrufen und mal Hallo sagen wenigstens. Und ich will auch hier ein bisschen weiterdrehen, will ich da auch nicht auf die Nerven gehen. Und hat mich auf jeden Fall gefreut. Aber ich habe immer noch nicht das andere Rufzeichen. Also ich habe hier 1ZQ, das andere Rufzeichen habe ich noch nicht bekommen. Wenn ihr das mir noch durchgeben könnt, wäre schön. Mikrofon zurück.
Ja, gar nicht so ganz einfach. Ja, der Gerhard hat anscheinend auch nicht so richtig das Band offen. Der ist auch ein bisschen eigentlich nur gekommen ist. Und vielleicht lasse ich den Transceiver hier gerade mal so ein bisschen durchbrummen. Dann wünsche ich dir noch was, wo wir hoffen, dass die Jungs noch auftauchen.
Eigenes Callsign ist VK3KVK und ja, wie gesagt, wir haben hier machen hier dieses Lighthouse-Wochenende und das ist hier ganz, ganz spannend. Da Mikrofon zurück.
Ja, du, das ist S8 bis S9. Was ist denn das für eine Antenne? Ist das so ein Rundstrahler oder ist das schon irgendwie? Ja, wahrscheinlich, ne?
So we've got a 706
with the most generous S meter in the world.
Yep.
And we have 80 meter and no noise.
And a giant antenna. Yep.
Back 5x9, no problems whatsoever. Anyway, what we'll do is keep it on the move, I suppose, and we'll pass it along. Put it back to Ray, VK3NBL. So you go there, Ray. If you can hear Brian, if not, put it back over to Richard. Ray, go ahead.
Yeah, VK3 FTOY in the group VK3NBL. Unfortunately, I know Brian's there, but I can't make out all the words you're saying. Unfortunately,
I just wonder if Braden can hear Brian there. Go ahead.
VK3OWL, VK3FBRY. Yes, I can. He's a bit down in the noise, but I can make him out fine. Your signal has jumped up to 5 and 9 plus 20 here, so you're booming in here as well. So conditions must be good. Your signal's actually got better.
Lima, VK3FJT. Good evening to you there, Richard, and the rest of the guys there at Cape Otway. Anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well, making lots of contacts, and good evening to the rest.
Yeah, catch you, Rocky. Have a good one, and yeah, we'll certainly catch up. We will report when we're back home there, Rocky. 73s, arrivederci, buonanotte.
Catch up, Roy.
Yeah, catch you later on. Ray is gone, I think. Braden, Gerald, David, Brian, and whoever else is out there. Guys, it was an absolute pleasure. And yeah, we'll certainly catch up tomorrow night at some stage. 73s, guys.
73s there, Richard, and Craig, Mike, Huey, and everyone else out and about there. 73s, VK3FTOY. I'll catch up to you all tomorrow. May catch Craig on the way home later on tonight. 73s all. 73s, Richard. Catch you later.
Yeah, catch you guys.
73s, Richard. VK3OWL. Have a good evening. VK3 Golf, Julie, Mike. QRX.
Yeah, catch you, Gerald, Braden, Ron, Rocky, Ray, Brian, anyone else.
All
probably
of them.
forgot some. David.
See you guys.
We forgot David there. 73s, guys. VK3 Oscar Whiskey Lima, Cape Otway, QSY. Good night.